Orlando Pirates fans have reason for optimism as star winger Monnapule Saleng appears to be edging closer to a return. Saleng made a bright start to the season, scoring 5 goals in his first 13 appearances and showing glimpses of the form that made him the standout player of the 2022-2023 campaign. However, his momentum was halted when he was frozen out of the squad, with his last appearance coming in December 2024 against Al Ahly in a Champions League group stage match. Following a lengthy absence, the 26-year-old is now back in training, but was not included in the squad that travelled to Algeria for the 1-0 victory over MC Alger. While head coach Jose Rivero is reportedly pleased to have Saleng back, he has opted for a cautious approach regarding his reintegration into the team. The winger is not expected to feature in the upcoming second leg against MC Alger, but could be available for selection in the coming domestic fixtures. Pirates face a challenging situation regarding Saleng's future, as the player is believed to be reluctant to extend his stay at the club. This weakens their bargaining position should they decide to cash in on him. However, given his talent and past accolades, including the 2022-2023 PSL Player of the Year award, Pirates could still command a respectable fee, especially if Mamelodi Sundowns enter the race for his signature. The major question remains whether Pirates would be willing to strengthen a direct rival. Meanwhile, the Buccaneers secured a crucial away win in the first leg of their CAF Champions League quarter-final against MC Alger, thanks to Mohamed Nkota's 65th-minute goal. Nkota has been particularly influential in continental competition, having previously registered 2 assists against Stade d'Abidjan. Pirates now shift their focus back to the PSL, where they face Polokwane City on Sunday, April 6th at 3 o'clock. The decisive second leg against MC Alger is set for Wednesday, April 9th at 6 o'clock.